Hello, today I'm very excited to review this sample that I was provided by Bryan and Candy Delicate Rose Bath and Body Essentials. So this is the packaging, and let me show you what it has inside. It has this one. It has this beautiful presentation. It has the sponge. This is how it looks. It's very nice. It's very soft on the skin. I love it. And it has the body butter, which is a body cream. It leaves your skin moisturized. I like it. It has a intense hydration skincare. Okay, so we also have here the bath and shower gel. It doesn't have sulfates or parabens. This is how it looks. And it has here the body scrub. It has a delicious scent of roses. And last but not least, it has the face wash. So it's 4.2 ounces. What I like about these products is that they smell delicious. They smell like roses. Let me show you here the shower gel. It looks like a creamy, rosy that you just wet it and you put it on the sponge. I like it. It smells delicious. And the most amazing thing about this Bryan and Candy brand is that it leaves your skin moisturized and it provides this amazing fragrance for the day. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do.